Math quiz question. Question number 1. 8 multiplied by 7 is equal to option A 52, option B 54, option C 49, option D 56. The correct answer is 56. Question number 2. 9 multiplied by 4 is equal to option A 40, option B 35, option C 34, option D is 36. Correct answer is option D 36. Question number 3. 9 multiplied by 8 is equal to option A 72, option B 68, option C 69, option D is 64. The correct answer is option A 72. Question number 4. 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to option A 52, option B 54, option C 58 and option D is 48. The correct answer is option D 48. Question number 5. 12 multiplied by 7 is equal to option A 82, option B 87, option C 86, option D is 84. The correct answer is option D 84. Thank you for watching.